Write an equation of the line that contains the point 4, 5 and has slope -1/2. When we're looking for the equation of a line, we usually use point-slope form. Which has the following formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. It's called point-slope form because we need two things. We need a point, x1, y1, and we need the slope, m. If we know a point on the line, and we know the slope of the line, we can substitute those values into the formula. The x1 and the y1 go here, and the m goes there. And when we substitute in numbers for those values, we end up with an equation that only has x and y as the variables, and that's going to be the equation of the line. Now, in this problem, we are given the point and we're given the slope. The point is 4, 5, and the slope is -1/2. So we can substitute those straight into the formula to see what our equation is going to be. Let's do this. We have y minus y1. Now, y1 is the y coordinate of the point, which is 5. So y minus 5 equals m, the slope, but we've seen that that's -1/2. So we've got -1/2 times x minus x1. x1 is the x coordinate of the point. In this case, that's 4. So we have y minus 5 equals -1/2 times the quantity x minus 4. Now, we usually won't leave the answer in point-slope form. It looks much nicer to simplify everything and put it in slope-intercept form. To do that, we're going to distribute on the right-hand side that -1/2 to the x and the -4. So -1/2 times x is -1/2x. And -1/2 times -4 is going to be +2. A negative times a negative is a positive, and 1/2 of 4 is 2. So we have y minus 5 equals -1/2x plus 2. To get y alone on the left, we're going to add 5 to both sides, and that gives us y equals -1/2x plus 7, which is the simplified version of the equation for the line that we were looking at. If we've got a point and we've got the slope, we can plug them straight in.